Okay, question number 12. So I'm going to do question number 12 and 13. So they say suppose a couple, you know what I'm saying? These people probably love each other. They want to get married, themselves or girlfriend, boyfriend. You know what I'm saying? Set up an ordinary annuity of 100,000 inheritance they receive. Oh my God, they go inheritance? Okay. So what is the amount of the quarterly payment? So you see, so these, you see that what they say, quarterly payments. If you do regular payments, means either you have to apply future value or present value. Keep in your mind. Either ask for what is the monthly payment or quarter payment or half annual. Like they mentioned, quarter means you have to pay in a regular base. Quarter payment they receive for the next 6 years, while their children are in varsity if the account pays the interest rate to compounded quarterly. So quarterly means you're going to use for. So should I apply present value or future value? Or I'm going to apply present for this case. You know why? Because they receive the money. It means they have it. You know what I'm saying? So I have all this material written down. So this 1,000 means is going to be the amount they have presently. And what you're looking for, the amount quarterly payment, that means X. The amount that you regular pay, that you use X. So we don't know that. You know what I'm saying? So now we come to these data written down, everything. So now we want to solve this. Let's solve it. I have all my data written down. So my PV I have, okay, which equal to 100,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's see. I hope this space is going to be enough. Equal to x. Okay, I have my x minus. Okay, 1 plus. What is my interest rate? Is 7%. But how to choose compound? I choose compounded quarter. So quarter we divide by 4, and then minus how long? 6 years. 6 times by also how it was compounded. Make sure whenever number you write here, you write there on top the same number. Interest is 7%. But you must make sure you divide by how it was compounded. So this is like a previous question. So plug everything in the calculator easily. Okay, so I'll take my calculator here and this, okay, on, and then put a bracket, and they say, okay, 1 minus bracket plus, okay, go to percent 7, shift percent, and then over bar 4, and then you come here, you close, and then you go to power, negative 6 times 4, okay. Come there, close, oh my God, divide by, okay, open the bracket, fraction, 7, shift percent, and then divide by 4 also, and then you close. So all this stuff on the right hand side is going to give you 19, you see, it gives you 1946, okay, let's run 19, okay, so this side you're going to get 19, 460685565, you know. And this side here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, but you have your x, means times x. So we need the value of x. So divide by the answer throughout. Since I want x, I don't need this. So divide by 19,46068,565. So throughout. So here's going to be 19,46068,565. This is this concept of value of x equal, means the value of x monthly payment. So what I'm going to do, you see my answer is there. So I'm going to say cancel, and let's say that 100,000 divided by the answer, because the answer is the number which I'm going to type down. So 5180, okay, so it's 5138.565 But I'm also the answer they always put in 2 decimal place or whatever. So now let's go and attend to our answer. So it's 5138. So we see there is option number 4. So question 12 is option number 4. Let's go to question number 13. So question 12, option 4. Okay, so this is option 4. So now we go to question number 13. This one is done. Question number 13. Look, if you face on my channel, make sure you go and subscribe very quick. I don't respond. Don't send me SMS, right? Through my phone, because some people got my phone. I prefer you leave a comment on my YouTube, and I'm definitely gonna attend it, okay? And I'm very happy to respond to your message, but for the YouTube comments, okay? Because I need to have a feedback for this project I started. So if you're not giving me the feedback, then you know there's no use for me to, you know, I'd rather diverge and how people can give me feedback. So now we go to question number 12. This is question number 12. They say, number 13, my apologies, 12 is done. Question number 13. They say, find the lump sum that one must invest Oh, so the money that somebody's gonna invest. Okay, in order to receive what? To receive 100, to receive 1,000 at the end of each month. So you see, this is gonna be at the end of each month. So this is like the payment that you get each month. So this is gonna represent X. Like I say, X represents the amount either you pay a regular payment or you receive a regular payment. To receive, so you don't know how much you invest, and then you're gonna have to receive the amount of 1,000 at the end of each month for the next 16 years. If the annuity pay 9% compounded monthly, so compounded monthly means you're gonna use it 12. Okay, so now find the lump sum that one must invest in annuity. So we want to find the money. Do you have the money now? No, you don't have. So you want to figure out how much should I invest so that every month I must get 1,000. Here we're going to use future value. Why do I use future value? I don't use normal compound formula because first they mention here at the end of each month. Oh, so whenever they mention end of each month, end of quarter month, whatever they're going to say, that has to be present or future formula. So I'm going to use future formula because now you want to find out how much you invest, okay, so that you receive. So now you don't have the money now, the money that you can invest like a previous question. So now future value formula. So, oh my God, question number 13, excuse me, is present. My apology, this is the present because you want to find, my apology, is the present because you want to find how much you should invest now, okay? It just tongue problem, like, never mind me, okay? How much you should invest means now, how much you should invest. So we're gonna use future value formula, but in the future value formula means we have X because so that every month you're gonna have to receive 1,000. Interest rate we got, which is 9% interest rate, just like how they say there per annum. Interest rate is 9%, and there we go. So now interest rate, I forgot to write here. Interest rate is 9%. Is 9%. So now let's go. So we say, okay. So now how much should I invest so that every month is going to be 1,000 here? X. 1 minus 1 plus. What is the interest rate? Interest rate is 9%. 9%. How much is compounded? It is compounded monthly. So monthly divided by 12 and then minus. What is the n? N is 16, but you multiply by whatever which is here. 16 times 12, and then you close your bracket, and then over. What is our interest rate? Our interest rate is 9%, and then how to compound it? Monthly. So plug that in the calculator, and get the finals easily. So now let's plug that in the calculator and get the finals. Very, very easy, guys. Okay, so now we're gonna say we got 1,000 bracket fraction. Okay, bracket fraction. No, 1,000 bracket fraction. Yes. So. And then, we can say fraction ready, 1,000 top, and then bracket, and after bracket, so what we do, we say, okay, 1 minus, bracket, 1 plus 9%, shift 9, and the fraction, and then divided by 12, coming close, power, okay, now power, minus 16 times, because 16 years, times 16 times it was compounded monthly. So go there and close your bracket and they come underneath and under. Okay, so we got compounded 9 interest divide by 12 also. Close and get the finals. So final answer is 10,157. Okay, so now this guy, he should invest now amount of, you see the amount of 10,157, 2,7686. That's the amount you should invest for him to receive such amount. You know what I'm saying? To receive what? Such amount. Okay, now we go to the next question. Okay? Question number 14. Okay, so to receive that such amount. So if you go to the option here, let's check the option. The option, it should be option 2 for sure. Yeah, option 2. See? Option 2 is our answer. So now this option 2. Okay, cool. Now we go to question number 13. Question number 14. Question number 14. Now we go, we see